What if you could read minds but discovered the truth was too horrifying to handle? Marcus was a failing salesman, rejected daily, barely making ends meet. During his morning jog, lightning struck him directly. He woke up in the hospital with an impossible gift. He could hear everyone's thoughts. At first, it seemed like a blessing. He closed every sales deal by knowing exactly what clients wanted. But then the darker thoughts started creeping in. Strangers fantasizing about violence, friends harboring deep resentments, family members hiding terrible secrets. The worst moment came during dinner with his wife Sarah. As she smiled and asked about his day, her real thoughts flooded his mind. She had been planning his murder for months, every detail mapped out perfectly. The poison was already in his food. Marcus sat frozen, fork halfway to his mouth, watching her loving expression while hearing her countdown to his death. Sometimes the truth isn't meant to be known.